Legends of Learning presents the 3 Averages Pizza Factory game. This is a math game that makes learning about factors affecting measures of center fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, you will use the concepts of mean, median, and mode to create the best pizza factory in town. Play as a server in a pizza factory. Your goal is to use the best measure of central tendencies to serve your customers. Select the method you wish to serve your customers with. Follow the instructions on screen as per the method chosen. Use your math skills to determine which customer gets what amount of pizza to solve the math problems. Serve your customers and keep them happy. Complete all the levels in order to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.